Chaitanya, and the best academic performer Kusumalata, best placement record Naresh. Give a big round of applause.
అన్న స్టేజ్ పైన కదా.
We also invite our Sudhakar Rao sir onto the dais. Please come onto the dais, sir. Give a big round of applause, guys. Rafi sir, please come onto the dais, sir. We are happy.
We are very happy for your presence, sir.
Our campus today stands as a symbol of growth. Discipline transformation is our respected director, sir.
We request you please address the students and encourage them.
Good evening to all of you. I feel all the students are in very much enjoying mood. It is seen here, even if we say no, we don't agree. Because it is absolutely, we are seeing the environment, it is wonderful environment. I am very happy to be associated with this farewell function of electronics department. Just I used to recall my earlier days. I could not get electronics seat and when I admitted into my undergraduate program. It was started in those years. The electronics and communication engineering was a new branch which was introduced. For our rank we could not get that and we felt disappointed at that time. And I got the admission into mechanical engineering and I continued my degrees. So such a importance this particular degree is having since olden days. It is having the plenty of applications. Nowadays if you see the applications in anywhere, IoT related applications and embedded systems and VLSI is having a lot of prominence. And if you come outside from this course, you will have the plenty of opportunities. The technological advancements in the electronics and communication engineering integrated with the software technology has grown to a peak level and you will be having very good opportunities. I always feel that the RGKT students or our students are having very good potential because you have been admitted into this institution after getting top score in your SSC and entered into a prestigious campus. Particularly RK Valley campus is very good with respect to the electronics and communication engineering. The faculty strength is very good here compared with other campuses. As you know, we are striving hard to strengthen our laboratories and we are working hard to improve your faculty strength. You might have seen the difference in last 3-4 years. Did you notice or not your faculty strength and laboratories? We are putting our maximum efforts to strengthen the academics in the campus. The similar way, we are working to get the Wi-Fi facility to the campus. Most probably already the purchase order is also given. In a month time, almost all the departments will be having the Wi-Fi access to all the students. That much assurance we are giving you, and you will notice the difference maybe after 1 month. Almost we are taking other internet leased line than BSNL. We are going for the Jio, and we are taking D2 Gbps line, and 150 access points are being procured, and it will be installed soon. And it will be at any time more than 2,000 students can use that Wi-Fi facility in the campus. Such a wonderful facility will come soon. Of course, these final year students may not be getting this opportunity. However, your juniors will get that benefit. For the final year students, my sincere advice is, you had a good stay for the 6 years and you got the degree, or you are getting your undergraduate degree, and wherever you are, please don't forget your parent institute. You remember this institute which has given you the platform and which has given you the learning platform for your all the subjects, which will be useful for your entire future. You try to support yourself from outside to your juniors. Still, the institute is lagging some of the technical aspects. Once you learn and you try to explain to your juniors so that their scalability will be improved. Wherever you are working, wherever you are studying, you always try to be a learner. Don't feel that we learnt all. Definitely, there is always scope to learn. Try to be a learner throughout the life, and wherever you work, you must be sincere, honest, and hardworking. Definitely, your goal will be achieved, or you can reach your goal, and your growth will be better. If you are lazy like here, definitely your growth will be reduced. Be confident on your work sincerely, so that you can perform better, and you try to do some social service so that you can become a good human being. And I am happy this time the department placements are good, and the department has scored many gate ranks. I am happy. There is a lot of improvement in the academics of the campus and also particularly in your branch, which made me happy, and this gate ranks will be very useful to all of you to get the admissions into higher studies and also the placements in public sector units. So a lot of programs are ahead. Without taking much of your time, I am very much thankful for inviting me on this occasion to be with the students. I am always happy to be associated with the students. Thank you one and all. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your...
Come forward and present the mementos to our outstanding students. Vishnuvardhan. Round of applause, guys. A big round of applause.
M. Joshna.
Give